If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much. If you're watching my videos and have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's free of charge, and that's the only way you get to support me. Hello loves, welcome back. Today we are doing corn rice. Corn rice, and from the word corn, you must have corn right here. And luckily I have yellow one, which is nice because it will bring some color in my white rice. See, I have rice, a cup and a half bishori rice, and of course we're adding some color like they're green. Wow. And yeah, do enough cooking oil, any cooking oil of your choice, guys. This is when you know if your cooking oil is ready. You dip in a cooking stick and it forms the bubbles, that you know it's ready. Yeah, that's a hack. So even if you're doing chips, you want to do deep frying, that's the way. You just dip. That's the way. That's the way to know if your cooking oil is ready. So I'll just let my onions turn translucent. I don't want that brownish or goldish color because it will tamper with my rice color. I just want my rice to be green, yellow, and I really wished I had red capsicum so that it brings that color, the primary color. So before it turns, I need to add in our garlic. And over here I was blanching my peas. Minji, blanching is not cooking, halfway, like unai blanch like unaiweka kwa maji moto kuwe halfway cooked. So yeah, I guess this is ready. So I've pureed my tomatoes, but it's optional. You can opt to slicing them. And at this point, you can add any seasoning of your choice. You can do the mixed spices. You can spice your corn rice venye unataka. Sawa? So this is the point where you add in your spices so that they cook. For me, I don't think I'm doing any I don't think I'm doing any more. I'm okay with that, so just season with salt. That will be it. So I'm starting with our corn, but you can start with anything. You can start with rice. So and it is time to go in with our very clean, thorough washed rice. Ikatoa ile maji clear. Yeah, make sure your rice imetoa ile maji clear. That is when you reduce the stickiness. Look at that, guys. It's already colorful. So wait until I bring in the green color. That is just salt to taste. And next we are doing our minji. And with minji you can choose to add in now, or you add in later on kabla rice yako iive, like the last bit of it. Look at that, guys. Look at that color. Wow. Look at that color. So with rice, use the same cup you use to measure your rice. You use the same cup to measure your water. So my rice was 1.5, and I'm going to do 3 cups. 2, 3. Yeah, my water is hot. This is hot water. You can also do cold water. So I just did hot so that the temperature, don't tamper with the temperature. I didn't want to tamper with the temperature, but you can also do cold water. Ni sawa, it's okay. Okay, some may ask, can I use white corn? It's okay, unaweza tumia white corn, but you know, the essence of this recipe is just to appetize you by using color. You see, like I have ka yellow, so that's why I went for a yellow corn. So I choose not to cover because I don't want my minji to turn. I'll just let that cook under low heat. And our corn rice is ready. Look at that. I love the color. And of course I've tasted, so I automatically love the taste. You see, every color is retained. There's green. If it is green, ni green. Yellow, ni yellow. Like I have maintained. And one hack I used, I didn't cover my cooking pot. So that's how I retained my colors. Yeah, I think I have to switch. So yeah, let's serve. I'm having my greens. Kamrenda hapo kameweza pizza kalilala ama ni sleepover. It's a leftover greens. Then I'm having avocado or avocado, and with avocado you can do guacamole, like kachumbari. Sawa. There we go. Hiyo ndio rice yetu, our corn rice. Wow. Wow. I love the color. I love the taste because I've already tasted. And yeah, so that is how you do your rice. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I hope you don't mind. And that's the only way you get to support me. So we meet again in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to pray. Prayer is a weapon. Bye.